Charity standing orders. On Sundays reading Road Supermarket. No killing moths or putting boiling water on the ants. Car wash. Also on Sundays. No longer afraid of the dark or midday shadows. Nothing so ridiculously teenage and desperate. Nothing so childish. At a better pace. Slower and more calculated. No chance of escape. Now self-employed. Concerned, but powerless. An empowered and informed member of society. Pragmatism, not idealism. Will not cry in public. Less chance of illness. Tires that grip in the wet. Shot of baby strapped in backseat. A good memory. Still cries at a good film. Still kisses with saliva. No longer empty and frantic. Like a cat. Tied to a stick. That's driven into frozen winter shit. The ability to laugh at weakness. Calm. Fitter. Healthier. And more productive. A pig. In a cage. On antibiotics.
Birds. I don't care for walking downtown. Crazy auto car gonna mow me down. Look at all the people like cows in a herd. Well, I like
When I'm with you, baby, I go out of my head. I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. All the things she do to me and everything said. I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. We slip and slide as we fall in love, and I just can't seem to get enough. We work together and walking down the street. I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. Every time I think you, I know we have to meet. I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. It's getting harder, it's a burning love, and I just can't seem to get enough. I was stuck for nothing. Say the right things when just like in always meant to me, I can feel it like a destiny thing written in the stars, inescapable fate. Yeah, it's out of my hands, falling into your arms. And I don't want to get innocent, but I would love you to take my time. We're on the edge of the beautiful things you say. Come on, let's stay here for a while. Oh, he is the one for sure. Oh, he is a perfect boy. Yeah, me and you are a world, he said, but not the only one I need. The two of us is never
if they don't believe me now, will they ever believe me? And if they don't believe me now, will they ever believe me? Oh, no. The boy with a thorn in his side, behind the hatred there lies the thunder in his eyes. Oh, and love, how can they see the love in our eyes? Instead they don't believe us. And after all this time, they don't want to believe us. And if they don't